Well, here we are. We're actually setting up a PC. This one is Windows 8. I'm setting this up for my mom, and pretty much I purchased a new hard drive because her hard drive had actually crashed. So I put a new install of Windows 8. So I'm assuming as soon as when you buy one from the store or from off the internet, I'm assuming that when you power it on, you're going to come up to this screen right here. And the first thing you want to do is just pretty much follow the wizard. You turn on the machine. The first thing it tells you to do is to personalize your computer. So first of all, it tells you to pick your color here. I'm going to go ahead and pick probably turquoise, well, actually I'm going to go ahead and pick green for my mom, and then later on you can actually change it. And then right here for PC name, go ahead and enter a name, and they give you an example here, living room PC or whatnot. Right here, just go ahead and let me see, my mouse is not working. There it goes. There, it finally took. Just go ahead and just put in your name. My example here, I'm just going to put Mama, because this is her computer here. Mama dash PC. And of course you can actually put whatever you want to in your name, or family, or whatever you want to select. Later on you can add more user profiles. So once you select your name, just go ahead and click the next button. Okay, now I want you to do use express settings or customize. Usually the best thing to do is just do the express settings, and that way you can always come back and configure to your liking. So I'm going to go ahead and use right here, use express settings. Okay, now it's asking you to actually sign on to your PC. So pretty much right now I'm just going to put Mama again. So I'm going to put, this is going to be the profile, Mama. And right now I'm not going to put a password. I don't want to deal with a password right now. I'm just going to select Mama and then finish. Finalizing your settings. And pretty much while it's getting it ready, they give you a tutorial of how to use Windows 8. Pretty much move your mouse to any corner, and you pretty much get your start button. You know how you used to get the start button at the far left corner? Now it's at the right corner. So you pretty much get your mouse and you move it to the side, and they'll show you a little video presentation here of moving your mouse. Your PC ready. This will take a few minutes. Let's start. Okay, once you get here, you're going to have your name here. Whatever your name that you put in is going to be up here. And to log in with Windows 8 is a little bit different. It has all these tiles. So pretty much picture it as big old pictures. This is basically it. And then down here you can scroll and see more pictures here. But pretty much here's your desktop right here at the corner, left bottom corner. It's your desktop. And first thing you want to do is when you log on to your profile here, just select desktop down at the corner here, desktop, and there you are. You're in your computer now, and pretty much now it's a matter of playing around with it. Pretty much, if you have data that you want to transfer from another computer to this computer, go ahead and stick in the memory stick in your drive, and once you do that, you see this little folder here down at the corner? This is your Windows Explorer, File Explorer they call it now. So pretty much when you stick it in, double click on this, and you're going to see your drives in here. When you go to my computer right here, go to my computer, and you're going to see that pen drive, a memory stick pop up. It's going to be an F, an H, or G, whatever letter it assigns it, it'll pop up here. And once it pops up here, just double click on it, and once you double click on it, make your little window up here, and then pretty much then open up your C drive, make another little window here. It's just like your old XP machine, and then pretty much go to your users, and then mama or whatever your username is, and then pretty much copy the data from this window over here to the same over here. Like if you have my documents over here in this little window over here, you're going to grab it and you're going to pretty much drop it in here, and then where my documents is, just drop it in here, and then it'll say my documents already exist, you want to override, and use yes, and then it'll just put my documents in here, and my desktop and everything else. But pretty much that is what you have to do. Let me go ahead and demonstrate here with a pen drive here. Let me go ahead and get a pen drive ready here. Let me see if I can actually find one here. Okay, here we go. I actually got a pen drive, and here it is. Here's my pen drive here. It's a memory stick. You know, they have different names, but once you get your memory stick, you know, just go ahead and you've got your data from your old computer on this memory stick. Pretty much just get it and put it in one of the USB drives when it ports in the back of your computer. Watch what happens when I stick it in here. Stick it in. Come over here and see right here with Windows 8, it popped up as the P drive. And as you can see, here we go. Okay, pretty much get your pen drive, and it can be a pen drive, it can be a memory stick, whatever you have. Sorry about the mess here, guys. It's kind of messy. I need to actually clean my house. I'm sorry. Apologize in advance. What you want to do is get your memory stick, and whatever data you have on here, this is from your old computer, all the data that's on here from your old computer, just pretty much grab it and then just stick it in your back of your new computer. Of course, this is an older computer, but this has Windows 8, but go ahead and put it inside your pen drive port here, USB port. Watch what happens when I stick it in. As soon as you stick it in, watch what happens over here with Windows 8 here. See that? A little menu, a little box comes up here, and it says it recognized it as a drive letter. I believe it was the P drive. So what we're going to go ahead and do now is go ahead and go to my computer. See this right here? Go ahead and my computer, and it looks like it recognized it as the F drive. Apologies. You know, as I mentioned before, it'll assign it any letter from A to Z. So, I mean, it could be P, it could be F, it could be G, but this time it looked like it recognized it as the F drive. You can always tell because this is a removable disk, and that's pretty much your memory stick. So pretty much once you find your memory stick in here, just double click it to open it up, and of course, see, you're gonna have my documents, desktop, Outlook, whatever that you put on your memory stick from your old computer. Everything's going to be here. So the trick is to get two windows open. Open up one window, right? So now go ahead and double click on the File Explorer icon down at the bottom again. Double click on it again. Actually, what you want to do is you want to right click and select File Explorer again, because if you just double click it like this, it opens the same thing up. See how it just opens up the same window up? So what you want to do to open up an additional window, because you want to do some copying over, just right click and then go to File Explorer. Hope you can see that. File Explorer. And that opens up a second window. And just align them together like this. And then come over here, go to your C drive. This is, remember that this window here is going to be your C drive on your new computer, and this is your memory stick over here. So go ahead and go to the C drive, and then go to your users folder, and then go to whatever profile that you called yourself. In my case, I called this profile Mama, which is my mom's computer. Open it up, and then you'll see here where it has favorites, desktop, and my documents. And then over here on your memory stick, you're going to have over here, you can have my documents, favorites, and desktop, you know, from your old computer. So all you're going to really do is just right click, copy, like that, and then come over here, right click, paste, and then it'll paste it in here. I copied a folder, just an example, but in your situation, you're going to have, you're going to right click on my documents, copy, and you're going to come over here, right click, paste. You'll get a message that will say, my documents already exist, you want to override? And then you say yes, and then it'll copy all that data back over here. So basically that's all you're doing, is you're just copying your data back. I'm going to go ahead and send you, just follow the paths that I sent you an email regarding to copy what to what path, and you should be okay. But other than that, pretty much that's all there is to it. The thing to remember with Windows 8 is that anytime you want to go someplace, just with your mouse, move it all the way to the right corner like this, and all of a sudden the little menu pops up, and you got your search, you got your share, you got your start button. Start button, you go to start, and then here you'll see your name, and if you want to log off, just click on it and then sign out, and then you'll be out of your computer. And when you log back in, always remember to go down here to your desktop here, go back to your desktop, and if you're searching for folders for applications, just with your mouse, move all the way to the right and do a search right here. Do a search, and let's see here. Here's all your applications. Let's say I'm searching for Paint, MS Paint, or whatever it may be, you know. And there it is. You just start typing, and there it is. And right here, once you find it, you can right click, and you put a check mark there. And down at the bottom, if you can see down here at the bottom, it'll say pin it to start, pin it to taskbar. So pretty much what I like to do, because I like to use these a lot, I usually just say pin it to start taskbar. And if I select that, and then I go back, I'm going to put my mouse back and go back to start, and then go back to my desktop. See how Paint is down here by my taskbar? Because I told it to pin it to my taskbar. So it's just a matter of playing with it. Your internet, of course, is right here, and I just double click on it, and you'll get your Internet Explorer again. Make sure you connect your Ethernet cable to the back of your computer. Right now mine's not connected yet, but I just actually formatted this. But pretty much that is it in a nutshell. And if you have any questions, just let me know, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And that is it, installing Windows 8.